Welcome back to CARSJADE. Today, we're checking out the 2026 BYD Dolphin Surf, the European-tuned version of BYD's popular Seagull. This compact EV brings unexpected tech, solid range, and value-packed features, all under £20,000. BYD's Dolphin Surf is refreshingly simple. No pretentious frills, just intelligent tech and everyday convenience in a cute, urban-friendly package. It's priced competitively around £18, $650.19, $990 during promos, offering surprising comfort and clever features most rivals can't touch. The Dolphin Surf stands out with its floating roof design, DOT matrix C-pillar, and full-width LED taillights for modern flair. Up front, you'll spot crisp LED daytime running lights with 6 sharp strips, all topped by a sporty rear spoiler that plays into aerodynamics and visual appeal. Inside, BYD doesn't tease. You get a neat 10.1-inch rotating touchscreen, digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto, NFC phone unlock, and voice assistant, Hi BYD. The cabin is cozy with front sport-style seats and optional heated electric versions, plus generous storage, including 308L of boot space, expandable to 1037L. Safety features include 6 airbags, ADAS, adaptive cruise control, and a strong blade battery structure. The Dolphin Surf offers 2 battery options with FWD setups. Active, 30 kWh, 88 CV, 65 kilowatts, 220 kilometers WLTP range, charges at up to 65 kilowatts DC. Boost and comfort, 43.2 kilowatt-hours boosted 115 kilowatts, 156 CV models with 310 to 322 kilometers WLTP, rapid charging at 85 kilowatts DC, and AC charge up to 11 kilowatts. Efficiency is impressive. Just 16 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers, around 131 mpg. It also supports vehicle-to-load (V2L), letting you run appliances or gear directly from the car. The Dolphin Surf launched in Europe in May 2025, with first deliveries from June 2025 onward. Pricing details. Active from €19,990 to €19,990. Boost Euro 22, €990, 24, €990. Comfort topping near £27,000 to £23,950 after promo period. In the UK market, the promo price of £18,650 positions it well below competitors like the Renault 5 and Citroën EC3. The Dolphin Surf is a refreshing reminder that EVs don't have to be expensive to be clever. You get strong range, rapid charging, safety features, and V2L, all wrapped up in a compact, stylish package that won't break the bank. If you're in the market for a second car or city commuter, this might just be the perfect value pick. That wraps our easygoing review of the 2026 BYD Dolphin Surf. If you enjoyed this look, don't forget to hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe to CARSJADE so you never miss new car deep dives. Would you go for the 220 kilometers or 322 kilometers version? Drop your pick below, we'd love to know. Until next time, stay smooth and drive smart.